Okay guys, in my VW Tiguan, and I am experiencing vibrations when I apply my brakes. So just to show that how to differentiate whether this vibration is coming from the front tires or it's coming from the back tires. So I will just demonstrate that overall the background is that if you feel vibrations in your butt also, so that means that your real discs they have been warped and you have to skim it or you have to replace it. And if the vibration is only in the steering wheel, then your front brake discs are warped and you need to skim it or you need to change it. So what I try to do, because so normally what happens that when you are driving and when you want to test it and you apply brakes and there is this issue in your car and your hands are on your steering wheel, so your body also vibrates and you couldn't differentiate so whether it is coming from the back or whether it is coming from the front. So to differentiate, the best strategy is that you drive at speed and you apply brakes and you take your hands off from the steering wheel and see if your body is stable. And if your body is stable, then your rear brake discs are fine. Only the issue is with the front brake discs. So I will just start it and I will show you. And because I just tested my car and I feel that I have got issue with my front brake discs. So let's start. Yes, I am trying to gain speed here. Yeah, this is an isolated road. So I'm applying brakes. You can see. There is a bit of misalignment in my car, so if you have misalignment in your car, so just be careful because your car will go in another direction. Now see, my body is stable, only my steering wheel is getting vibration. So just try to be careful if your alignment is not correct in your car, because your car will try to go into the wrong direction. So now I cleared that there was vibration. I clarified that the vibration was in my steering wheel, and so I had to skim my brake discs or I had to change it. But I don't want to change it now. I just want to skim them. Maybe that will help. So if you guys have the same issue, just try this experiment and try to check whether the issue is with your front discs or the rear discs, because if you went for just skimming of all discs, it will cost you more. So better to test it at your place and then correct it accordingly. So if this video is useful to you, try to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thanks.